Here are 3 important tips to help you get started with pumping on a half pipe in roller skates. Number 1, stagger your feet. I like to keep my left foot in front. Staggering your feet will help you to balance while moving back and forth. Number 2, in the pumping pattern, know when to extend your body versus bend your knees. One way to think about this pattern is this. Imagine you are on the half pipe now, standing in the very middle. Now pretend that someone is right behind you, sort of pushing you and guiding you. Now bend your knees a little bit until you get to the top. When you are at the highest point, anticipate the roll back down with an extra deep bend at the knees. You should be in a squat position at your highest point. Now, as you roll back down, extend your legs with some force. Your legs don't need to be completely straight, but be dramatic about extending your body versus when you are in the squat position at the top. It's the same for going backwards. Keep your knees slightly bent on the way up. When you're at the top of the ramp, ready to roll back down forward, go into your squat, followed by pushing down into the ramp and extending your body on the way down. Eventually, you will get a rhythm going and continue to go faster and higher. Don't be scared though. If you want to slow down, just stop pumping and put your toe stops down like this. Tip number 3. Look behind you over the shoulder of your back foot every single time you are moving in a backwards motion. There are 2 important reasons for this. Firstly, at a skate park, there are often children and people who are unaware of their surroundings, and it's important to be on high alert to keep yourself and others safe. If you're looking behind you and someone is in your path, you can make a quick stop by pressing your toe stops into the ramp. Another good reason for you to always be looking back when skating backwards up the half pipe is that it is training your mind and body to look behind you at the coping. If and when you are comfortable, you will be landing backside stalls and other tricks like a pro. Hit the subscribe button for more skating tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.